Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shehzadi. Today we are going installer with 10 Galaxy Mirror Glaze Cake that look like that they are straight from outer space. Let's dive into the Galaxy Mirror Glaze Cakes. The first one is Midnight Swirl Galaxy Cake, a rich navy blue glaze with white and purple swirl, complete with edible stars, like looking into a telescope but tastier. The next is nebula inspired cake. Deep swirls of magenta, teal, and violet mirror glaze with subtle gold shimmer throughout. Perfect for dreamy birthday or cosmic parties. The next is star cluster dome cake. A glossy dome with galaxy patterns and silver sugar pearls as stars, a universe in every slice. The next is Milky Way mirror cake, layered mirror glaze with a band of glowing white and silver going across like a real Milky Way, a galactic design for space lovers. The next is planet surface texture cake, mirror glaze with extra texture to resemble the rocky surface of Mars or Jupiter. Unique and realistic, perfect for astronomy fans. The next is Galaxy Heart Cake, a heart-shaped mirror glaze cake with comic pink, deep blue, and violet blends. Romantic and space theme. Yes, please. Perfect for space lovers. The next is Shooting Stars Cake. Dark galaxy base with mirror glaze and a sugar comet streaking across the top. Make a fish wish and take a bite. The next is Mini Galaxy Mousse Cake. Small round mousse cakes, each within its own galaxy glaze, perfect for party favors. Little planet of flavor and shine. The next is Galaxy Tie Cake, a shining multiple tiered cake with seamless flowing galaxy glaze from top to bottom, perfect for stargazer couples tying the knot. The next is Aurora Borealis cake, inspired by northern light with green, purple, and blue mirror glaze shining like the sky. A natural wonder in desert form, perfect for birthday parties or night parties. Want to create your own galaxy glaze? Here is the basic ideas. Use white chocolate and gelatin glaze. Color it with gel food coloring, navy, violet, pink, and teal. Pour the glaze over a chilled cake for the smooth and shiny finish. Swirl colors together lightly. Don't overmix. Add edible glitter, cluster dust, or star sprinkles for that space sparkle. Always glaze while it's just warm, not hot. From bright nebula swirl to starlit domes, these galaxy glaze cakes are truly out of this world. Which cake was your favorite, the aurora or the planet dome cake? Tell us in the comment below. If you like this video, press the like button and share with your family, friends and galaxy cake lovers. And subscribe to Cakes Factory and hit the bell icon for more delicious designs journey. We post new ideas daily, don't miss what's coming next. So you can make your next event more beautiful and more shiny, just like a galaxy cakes. See you in the next video. Goodbye.